Greetings to all. Today's topic is effects of force. No one has seen force, but we always feel the effect of a force. It can only be explained by describing what happens when a force is applied to an object. Let us understand what can force do. First, force can cause motion in a stationary object. Second, it can stop a moving object. Third, it can change the direction of motion of a moving object. Fourth, it can change the speed of a moving object. Fifth, it can change the shape and size of an object. Let us understand each effect with the help of few examples. First, force can cause motion in a stationary object. When an object is in the state of rest, it can be brought in motion by applying a force on it. For example, first, a box is at rest and you and your brother came and applied force and set the box in motion. Second, she is getting her scooter started by pushing off with her foot. The force she applies to the ground with her foot starts the scooter moving in the opposite direction. Third, when you pick up a glass of water, you change its position of rest. However, it is not necessary that a force always makes a stationary object move. For example, when you try to push the wall or a tree, it will not move. This is because the force applied by you is not sufficient to move the wall or a tree. From these examples, we can say force can cause motion in a stationary object.